Hi, today's video regarding HP Deskjet all-in-one printer. So how to do copy, print and scan using this printer. Now copy we can do straight away. So the first step is to switch on the printer. So press the power button. So you can just load the A4 size pages here. Now we'll do the copy. To do a copy we need to place a page on the scanner facing downwards. Close the lid. Now on the display panel we can click either black or color. Click it once and just wait for the printout to come. So here you can see it has printed. Use the Wi-Fi Direct of this printer and connect it with our Android device. Go to the display panel first. Now on the display panel you will see there is a blue light is flashing, which is a wireless light, and if you check on the display we cannot see any Wi-Fi Direct icon here. That means we need to activate the Wi-Fi Direct. To activate that we need to press once this Wi-Fi button. It will switch off the blue light and you can see the Wi-Fi Direct is activated here. Press the information button once and wait for the printer to print a printer information page. So you can see it has printed a page here, which is a printer information page, and it displays the model number. Here you see the Wi-Fi Direct icon and it displays the name of the Wi-Fi Direct and its password. Download the HP Smart app from the App Store. Once you download it, open your Wi-Fi setting and look for the Direct AA HP Deskjet 2700 series printer name. And you can click here. It will ask a password. Now we need to find out the password of this printer. Click in the connect button. It is connected and it says there is no internet. Go back, open HP Smart app. Now we need to add this printer here, and to add it click on the plus button on the top and printer's name is displayed here, Deskjet 2700 series printer. So once you click on that it will show up here. Now you will see there is an option like printer scan, and also there is an icon here to printer scan. So just click on that. Now open the top scanner lid and place a page facing downwards so that we can do a scanning, and close the lid. Again click on the scan button here. Now it will transfer the scan here. You can add more pages if you want as a single file, and you get an option in the end if you want to save it as a JPEG or PDF format. To add more pages you simply need to place another page on the top scanner bed, and I'll show you that as well. Click on the plus button. Now open the lid and place a page again facing downwards. Click on the scan button. So it's that simple. Like you can do the number of pages and you can make a single file here. So once it is transferred you are able to adjust some things in it. So here you can see both pages are available. Now you get share option, you get save option. Click on the save. So now if you click on the PDF it will be a PDF file, and you can change the name of the file on the top and click on the save button. Now open the app and go to the print document section. Now you can choose from your Dropbox or Google Photos or Google Drive or your photos, scanned files or PDF. So here is a PDF I'm going to open, and there is a print button, and click on this blue icon. It will send a command to the printer to do the printing. So you can see it has printed, and here is the printout. So overall this printer is really good for wireless printing and scanning, and also for the copy purpose. Thanks for watching.